Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just going to be walking you guys through step by step of how I did my nails at home, gel nails, tips, everything by myself, and they look pretty good if I say so myself. This is a new technique that I'm trying out. I got it from Makeup by Defina. I'll link her down below, and I feel like it worked out really well. So I also used Color Street nail strips. If you guys haven't heard of Color Street, I will tag the girl I buy them from down below. I don't sell them, but they are so nice, so easy, and they look super professional. So I'll tag that. I will tag Makeup by Defina down below as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you click the subscribe button. I did a tutorial on this graphic liner look. So if you want to check that out, that will also be in my videos somewhere down here. I'm going to be doing a little DIY beauty series since we are all quarantined and we cannot go to the salon, we cannot get our nails done. I'm going to be doing some DIY videos of how I do all of those things by myself at home. If you like this video and you like DIY beauty videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye! Hey everyone, so first step, we are going to be pushing back our cuticles. You can see I have my tools laid out here. I'm just using a metal implement, but you can also use a wooden one as well. Next, I'm just going to be clipping my nails down. They don't have to be really short, but they should have a clean edge. Then taking a really light buffing board, I'm just buffing my nails down just slightly. Then just taking a nail brush and cleaning up our work area, making sure there's no dust left. Next step is our nail tips. I got these off Amazon. You can find them in all different shapes and sizes. I'm going through and measuring each one on each fingertip so I am organized when I come to the portion of actually adhering them to my nail. If you find that you cannot find an exact size for one of your nails, just file down the corners until it fits. Then I am just taking a file and roughing up my nail bed just a little bit. After that, you are going to take a pH bond or a nail dehydrator and put that on all of your nails. Then we are going to be filing the inside of each tip. You can use a file for this, but I had a drill and the drill just fit perfectly in the curved tip. Next, I am taking my IBD Builder Gel, and we're just going to be putting a little bit of that inside of the tip. You don't need a lot, just a thin layer will do. As you are putting your tip on, you want to make sure that you're not overlapping your gel onto your cuticle and that you have no air bubbles. And as soon as you get that on, you're going to be putting it under the light and curing it for 60 seconds. And when you pull your nail out, you should have a tight grip. Nothing should be moving around, otherwise you need to cure it longer. Then you can move on to filing and shaping your nail. I'm keeping mine fairly long and just tapering out. Not quite a coffin, but almost. And if you guys go in with a nail clipper, just make sure you are careful so that you are not creating any stress points and having the nail crack down. And then I'm just repeating all of those same steps on the rest of my nails. And now I'm ready to start polishing. So I'm grabbing my OPI gel color base coat and applying an even thin layer of that across all of my nails, and then curing for 60 seconds. The color I am using is by Gel's China Glaze, and it is in the color Camisole. I am doing 2 coats of this gel color and curing in between each coat for 60 seconds. Okay, do you guys remember when you would have to take an alcohol swab at the end of your gel manicure to get that sticky surface off? You do not have to do that with this finish gel. This stuff is amazing. After your last coat of gel polish, you're going to be putting this finishing gel over the top. And this is kind of like a sealant, so you want to make sure that you seal all of your edges and the very tip of your nail. Then you are just going to cure it for 60 seconds, and then you are done with the gel. All right, now I'm grabbing my Color Street. I am using Coming Up Rose Gold. Before applying, you're just gonna wipe your nail bed with rubbing alcohol to secure that there is no oils or no debris under the nail polish strip. So these come in 8 little tabs. Pick the one that is going to fit your nail bed best. Peel it off. Peel off the 2 sides, and I like to lay mine down center first at the bottom. And then once you get it situated, you're going to push the center up and then slowly do the 2 sides down. Once you have it where you want it, you're just going to bend the tip over and grab your file and just file off the edge. Flip it over, make sure you don't have any overlapping on the back side, and then you are all set. What I really like about Color Street is that you do not have to wait for this stuff to dry. It is dry immediately when you put it on, and I usually do them as accent nails, so I mix them with my other gel colors, so they last me a really long time. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I love how they turned out, and I will let you guys know how long they lasted. Let me know if you guys liked this video, and if you try this technique at home, let me know how it works for you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.